Good afternoon everyone. So in today's class we'll discuss the life cycle of a honeybee. Life cycle is basically a process description. So first of all we'll read the statement. The diagram shows the life cycle of honeybee. We have to summarize the diagram by discussing the stages in detail. We'll discuss the stages of the life cycle of honeybee. Let's start with the reading first. The diagram illustrates the various stages in the life of a honeybee. We'll have to discuss different stages in the life of honeybee. So we can see that the complete life cycle lasts between 34 to 36 days. The complete life cycle of a honeybee, it lasts only for 34 to 36 days. Basically this is the processes of 34 to 36 days. It is also noticeable that there are 5 main stages in the development of the honeybee. There are basically 5 main stages that depends which are on the life cycle of honeybee. Let's start first. This is the first stage, the second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. After the fifth one, the honeybee that becomes a mature honeybee. So from egg to a mature adult insect, it starts with the egg and then it with the different stages it moves to a mature honeybee. Let's start. The life cycle of a honeybee begins with the female adult lays eggs. What happens in the very beginning? These are the female insect, it lays eggs. Fine. So what happen after that? When the female adult lays egg, the female typically lays 1 or 2 eggs every after 3 days. She used to give eggs to 1 or 2 days after every 2 or 3 days. Between 9 to 10 days, each egg hatches and the immature insects or nymph appear. When the egg is hatched, then what happened in the next stage after 9 or 10 days, this becomes a nymph. Nymph means the insects, it's a kind of like when the egg is hatched, the very small insects that appear, that is called nymph. What happens when the egg is hatched, the nymph appears. Fine. During the third stage of life cycle. So now we'll talk about the third stage of life cycle. The nymph grows bigger in size. This nymph, it grows a little bigger in size. The molting first takes place after 5 days. Then after 5 days it turns to this stage. Fine. Molting means when the any animal or when any insect shed its feathers और उनके जब पंख गिर जाते हैं, उनके जब हेयर गिर जाता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मॉल्टिंग. इट टेक्स प्लेस आफ्टर 5 days. ये 5 days के बीच में होता है. देन आफ्टर the egg hatches, then after 7 days later, again another 9 days later. First they talking about these 7 days. फर्स्ट प्रोसेस में इसको पहुंचने में इट जस्ट इट डेवलप्स अ लिटल. देन आफ्टर दैट आफ्टर 9 days अगेन इट डेवलप्स अ लिटल मोर. देन इट द एंटायर प्रोसेस इज ऑफ 31 days. सी 9 to 10 days फर्स्ट थिंग, then second 5 days, then third and then 9 days. It takes 9 days for them to complete this entire process from the start of the life cycle. See, from the start it takes 31 days for the total process. First it moves to this part, then it moves to this part. Fine. Then another part and then another part. And after that what happens? From the start of the life cycle to the young adult bee emerges. When it moves to this part, then it becomes a young bee. Fine. From its molting stage, and at the last after 4 days, after reaching to this stage, at the last after 4 days, again it becomes a mature honeybee. So this is all about how the life cycle of a honeybee can be described. Thank you.